諗住沖個涼啫，使唔使咁啊？
開心少少咁樣。
係，
我冇聽錯啊！
都勁俾貨喎，你咁清楚。
真心咩？我 first 咩 ？Really？哇，有啲料喎！
試完我就同個 friend 話試下 Mars 換 first，咁但係就 no guarantee 嘅，戴晒頭盔話應該 wait 唔到噶啦。咁雖然一早換咗，但我真係瞞佢到 check in 最後一刻啦。都想知只係佢想對 check in 時嗌咗18件麥樂雞餐嘅自己講啲咩？Anyway， 我 first time on first 要正式開始啦，所以我之前唔知原來行李都有分 class 嘅。
點知原地俾人講翻出嚟？啊，唔好意思，你呢個唔係批。咁樣就正常。請。
哦，多謝。好啊，拜拜。
首先同大家嚟到呢個 The Pier 玉衡堂，咁佢就位處於 Gate 63啦，有再分 business 同埋 first 兩邊嘅。咁難得搭 first， 我哋當然就係有大食大啦。唔該，
唔該。
沖涼先，解釋翻佢係佢嗰邊係嗰邊。咁最得天獨厚喺 Gate 2嗰邊嘅環宇堂度 wing 咧，因為就 renovate 緊啦咁啱，咁所以浴缸呢啲 extra 嘢今次就冇啦，就叫做守住呢個 channel 嘅底線啊！沖完涼爽晒，清爽 boy。咁沖完涼就係時候嚟醫下肚啦。咁面前呢位食咗18件麥樂雞餐依然面無懼色嘅同志咧，係相當興奮嘅。咁你見點解有鯊魚公館嘅咧？咁其實呢度有 offer 啲同唔同餐廳合作嘅 tasting menu 嘅。酒水上我諗佢有咩 update 都係大同小異㗎啦。
你見到自己嘅？
我諗 overall 無論係食物嘅質素啦、service 啊、個環境啦，其實都冇嘢可以挑剔㗎啦。仲要尤其是我哋嗰晚應該已經係夜已深啦，冇乜客，咁嗰個侍應同埋客人比，我諗係驚人哋可能去到成2:1。本住一個探索嘅精神，我哋都去埋喺 Gate 6嗰邊嘅 The Deck 玲瓏堂啦。咁你見到我哋就今次試一啲中式少少嘅食物啦。咁 overall 就不過不失啦。咁其實可能大家都知佢原本只係個 business class lounge，咁但係因為 The Wing 嗰邊仲 renovate 緊呢，咁就攞佢嚟頂住先嘅啫。事到如今，我諗無需多講，大家都知我哋唔係搭開 first 或者 not even 係 business 嘅常客啦。咁究竟我哋係點樣換張機票個 cost 係幾多呢？咁希望大家一路睇落去，咁我哋就會交代㗎啦。有時呢一啲肌肉記憶係改變唔到。原來可以咁斯斯然咁 board， 跟住之後飲下 welcome drink 啊，食下啲 welcome snacks 啊，再俾你拆埋個 amenity kit， 都仲有啲 business 同埋 econ 嘅人上緊機，即係我哋嗰等個 chill 嘅程度係誇張。
Yeah, you too.
喂，你可唔可以坐低先啊？Hi，我壓你過嚟啊，係啦。專場，因為咁鬼鼠啊過嚟，係咪？冇錯啊，坐 first 你嘅隨從直頭係可以得喺你對面有個位俾佢。咁我哋個 trip 其實就係去 Tanzania Safari 啦，咁就揀咗 Carter 喺香港經多哈轉去 Kilimanjaro 嘅。咁香港呢一程大概8個零鐘。咁無聊聊，我哋一齊望下呢一個 Diptyque branded 嘅 amenity kit 啦。咁其實入邊除咗啲普通 skin care 啊、洗漱用品啊，都有啲香水仔啊、sample 仔咁樣，即係幾精緻嘅。之後講下架機啦。咁你見啲嘢點解好似小懷舊嘅，俾人剝咗層皮咁咧？咁其實因為 Carter 係乾租緊 CX 以前舊市嘅 777啦，咁所以啲配置其實仲係換湯不換藥嘅。Meanwhile 為咗本人最舒適嘅體驗，我已經睡衣都換埋啦。但係就唔知點解個 friend 搭 first 都有種屈係 econ 嘅局促感。我都已經唔記得我咪因為唔忍心見到佢瞓到咁乜就，所以叫醒咗佢睇下佢啊。其實你可以瞓低㗎。基本上架機係已經夠到個 crew 想幫我撳低張凳，其實都有啲吃力嘅，因為個 pad 就有啲接觸不良啦。咁 anyway 啦，即係鋪好張床攤咗上去就真係切切實實咁樣感受到自己真係瞓緊喺 first 上面啊！咁我又試下玩下個 panel 啦，跟住發現佢有個按摩功能，撳完咧係零 feel，
而既然個按摩功能係唔 work 嘅，我就決定調轉幫佢按摩。其實冇，純粹同個 friend 口痕話，喂，有啲咩喺度做會特別啲。咁講真都真係 first 張床先有可能咁大可以做到掌上壓啫。咁啊，踩佢啦。佢做完運動，跟住 crew 咧就嚟幫我哋 set up 張台準備食嘢啦。講真，我啲咁嘅粗人食 caviar 都係儀式感就個過場嘅啫。佢係值得留翻俾啲識得欣賞佢嘅人嘅。
開心少少咁樣，即係啱瞓醒。
講真，其實我可以叫 GPT 幫我 gen 一篇喺半空之中食 caviar 嘅食評嘅，咁但係我諗我嘅表情係實在好難 convince 到我非常之 enjoy 呢一個體驗。
In short， 我諗成件事個舒適程度就真係好似個 time lapse 咁啦，一啲都唔似平時搭飛機係覺得好快。
啱啱鼓起咗勇氣就去望下個空姐，可唔可以一陣落機去 greet 個 Captain Mercury 影張相咁樣啦。因為 suppose Carter 就唔係攬 passenger 入 cockpit 嘅，咁個機長亦都冇義務去 entertain 啦，咁所以即係都係盡下人事咁樣。咁當然有少少嘅 storytelling，希望可以睡到空姐幫我哋揮下啦。咁我哋就 let's see how it goes。
Oh, I want your face if you.
You can take 2 versions. One for you and one for
Thank you so much. Hi.
Everything is so great. Yeah,
Our
incredible.
pleasure, man. Please, of course.
Oh my God.
This aircraft is a little bit different, you know, it's not the
Yeah,
typical Qatar
it's from
Airways.
CX, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Oh,
you know. There you go.
Yeah. Without styling. That bothers me a little bit.
Yeah, well,
There
that's
is
the
some
trade-off,
internet,
unfortunately.
but doesn't work, you know.
I mean, it works, it was there, but it's not as good as whatever Starlink is like.
呢度拆開講兩句咧，咁其實我之前有 check 過 Qatar Airways，基本上係非常之 strict on 佢哋嘅 cockpit entry 啦。咁所以呢兩個 captain 咁 nice 俾我哋入去嗰度談笑風生，其實我哋非常之幸運。
A lot of first time here.
And it has a garden like in Singapore, you know,
But better.
Yeah, I got
Better,
it.
yeah?
You're from Carter? Like
I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia. Okay, cool.
I'm from Poland.
Poland.
Oh,
Oh,
Poland, great.
cool.
We're
We are
all
both from Hong Kong.
multicultural, we're all from everywhere, fly everywhere.
Exactly.
I have 2, 3 on the left, 2, 1 on the right. Thank you. Enjoy the airport, yeah.
Great, thank you.
Can we take a picture together? Perhaps?
Selfie here.
Yeah. You guys got all the technology, man.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is for technology. This is not.
Well,
Yeah, it's just like toys for you guys.
3, 2, 1, span.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.
成功見到機長入咗 cockpit，雖然可能唔知會 violate 咗某啲金磚 policy，但係啲機長都話唔介意，咁我冇理由幫佢擔心啦，係咪先？之後都係少少地同佢講話，咁我哋 first time with Qatar Airways 啦 ，first time on first a lot of first times，so
好正。
OK，
嗰個位。
真係人生難得嘅體驗。我諗其實都唔係 first 嘅話，就真係唔撚錯我哋。Like first time with Qatar Airways, like a lot of people flew first time with Qatar Airways but didn't get in the cockpit。
咁啱啱阿 Captain 咪有提過，佢覺得呢個機場同埋新加坡佢好似嘅，咁另外一個就話 but better 啦。咁我係真係感受到，即係因為嗰啲花花草草同埋嗰個天幕咧，其實好雷同咯。
啱嘅地方，啱嘅時間。
啊，唔係我哋嚟呢
但係錯
度會。
嘅人。
啲未來感係有啲錯。
嗱喺機場入邊揾到 gym 咧，應該都真係絕無僅有噶啦。即係畢竟佢個佔用嘅空間或者佢會有嘅使用率嚟講，其實應該都唔會係一個好被 prioritize 嘅設施。
咁所以難得有個咁嘅機會，我哋都去試玩下啦。咁當然你係唔可以 expect 佢同一般嘅 gym room 有齊晒咁多嘢。咁但係即係基本即係啲跑步機啊，俾個 bench 你，有啲 dumbbell 咁，佢都係有嘅。嗰種10級以上，嗰種登台入10級，佢特登搞到咁高，你係越過咗無數喺低層嘅人。
以階級嘅概括，呢個 Outside Front Lounge 係毫不為過嘅，因為佢真係 exclusive to first 客啦，又或者 Carter Platinum 自己嘅 business 客。咁你單純係 One World 嘅 Emerald 想坐 Econo 入嚟咧就唔得嘅。
This is a lounge, oh my god！
好坦白講，你用一般嘅 lounge 去同佢比咧，就一定係黯然失色㗎啦。因為即係哪怕你係用主場之利嘅標準去衡量咧，其實以佢嘅空間設計或者 even 係啲博物館級數嘅展示咧，都無不透露住一種大氣嘅。因為最難得係佢唔係單純嘅土豪，而係用緊好多嘅環境語言去塑造你嗰個氛圍。
有 F1 啊！
上張 F1。
佢冇開。
Elsevier Lounge, very French, very rich。諗住沖個涼啫，使唔使？咁好啊。雖然我最後冇用到啦，但係我而家望翻，其實我都唔係好知我個人同埋個 potentially 應該存在嘅技師啲手手腳腳係點樣分佈嘅咧。你以為淨化完心靈就冇啦咩？再升華啲都仲有。呢一個咁樣嘅 relax room 真係，你諗下一個機場係有幾咁不惜工本先可以為一個 lounge 開個咁樣嘅地方出嚟。嗰個喺水幕底下透入嚟嘅日光，你攤喺度，哇，黐咗線。今次係 business。言歸正傳，咁我哋究竟用咗幾多 miles 去揾咗 first ticket 呢？咁由於我哋係咪都要經多哈轉機啦？咁其實佢係有 offer 叫 mixed class 嘅 option 嘅，就係先係 first 之後 business，咁都 offer 咗個 flexibility 俾大家。畢竟每個 route 同埋唔同機嘅 layout 可以 offer 咗個 class 都有啲唔同啦。咁所以我覺得呢個價錢可以先 first 後 J， 其實都已經係冇嘢好講噶啦。咁好多謝大家睇到嚟呢一度啦。咁其實個 trip 嘅戲肉應該係 Safari 嘅，咁啲片都會陸續推出噶啦。咁希望大家密切留意住，同埋 follow 我 IG 啦。